again. Alright, so this is a waterfall in the town of Miovac, and it's called gia Waterfall. It's super beautiful. It's kind of off the beaten path, a little bit of a rocky path to get there, and then you park, you walk up some ways, and it is a gorgeous, gorgeous swimming spot, plenty of room to swim. And there's actually a couple, if you keep walking uphill, there's more waterfalls and more places to swim, more private areas, as the first one obviously has a lot of people at it. And yeah, you can do some cliff jumping from just 3 meters up, 10 feet up, 5 feet up, 15 feet up, or you could go all the way to the very, very top and do some cliff jumping from all the way up there. We actually spent a whole day there and stayed in the town of Miovac for 2 nights. And then after that we continued our journey on to Hajong, and that was it. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments down below and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you.